Hi, how's everything going?
I'm so glad we're out in nature today.
Can I sit here?
Of course. Join me.
Is the weather good today?
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
What did you bring to eat?
I brought sandwiches.
Would you like some juice?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want to play a game later?
Sure, that sounds fun.
How was your week?
It was busy, but good.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's very clean and quiet.
What's your favorite picnic food?
I love cold pasta salad.
Do you like the music playing?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Is that your dog?
Yes, his name is Buddy.
Can I help with the food?
Yes, please help me with the plates.
What do you want to eat first?
I want some fruit.
Do you want to take some pictures?
Yes, let's take after.
What do you want to do after eating?
Maybe take a walk.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
How's your sandwich?
It's delicious.
What's your favorite drink on a picnic?
I like lemonade.
Do you like playing frisbee?
Yes, let's play later.
Is it too hot today?
A little, but it's okay.
What's your favorite season for a picnic?
I like spring.
Do you like sitting under the tree?
Yes, it's cool and shady.
Do you want to try this snack?
Yes, thank you.
How far is this park from your home?
About 15 minutes by car.
Who made this cake?
My mom did.
Do you want more chips?
No, I'm full.
What games do you like at a picnic?
I like card games.
Do you want to walk around the lake?
Yes, let's go.
Have you had a picnic this year?
This is my first one.
What do you usually bring to a picnic?
Fruits and snacks.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love it.
Are you having fun?
Yes, it's great here.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax or go out with friends.
What did you do yesterday?
I cleaned my house.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you want to help set the table?
Sure, let's do it together.
Do you want to play after lunch?
Yes, that would be fun.
Do you like sweet or salty snacks?
I like sweet snacks.
What is your favorite picnic memory?
A picnic at the beach with my friends.
Are there many bugs here?
Not too many, luckily.
Do you want to try this new drink?
Yes, what is it?
Who planned this picnic?
I did.
What did you bring for dessert?
I brought cookies.
Can I try your food?
Yes, go ahead.
What's your favorite park activity?
I love walking and relaxing.
Can you pass me the water?
Sure, here you go.
What time do you want to go home?
Maybe around 5 p.m.
Do you like going on picnics?
Yes, I love going on picnics.
Do you take photos at the picnic?
Yes, I take a lot of photos.
When was your last picnic?
Last month,
Where do you usually go for a picnic?
I usually go to the park.
Who do you go with?
I go with my family.
What do you take on a picnic?
Food, drinks, and a mat.
Do you like homemade food or packed food for a picnic?
I prefer homemade food.
What is your favorite picnic snack?
Sandwiches.
Do you play games during a picnic?
Yes, I play games like frisbee and cards.
How do you get to the picnic spot?
We go by car.
Do you take cold drinks?
Yes, we take juice and soda.
Do you bring a picnic basket?
Yes, we pack everything in a picnic basket.
Do you cook at the picnic spot?
Sometimes we do, if it's allowed.
Do you bring water bottles?
Yes, we bring enough water for everyone.
Do you like barbecue at a picnic?
Yes, I love barbecue.
What fruit do you take?
Apples, bananas, and grapes.
Do you share food at the picnic?
Yes, we all share food.
Do you pack dessert?
Yes, we take cookies and cake.
Do you play sports during a picnic?
Yes, we play football and cricket.
Do you go hiking on a picnic?
Sometimes, if the place has trails.
Do you fly kites?
Yes, flying kites is fun.
Do you sing or play music?
Yes, we sing and play guitar.
Do you go swimming?
Only if there's a safe place to swim.
Do you bring a speaker?
Yes, to play music.
Do you do any drawing or painting?
Sometimes, for fun.
Do you go on nature walks?
Yes, we love walking around.
Do you read books at the picnic?
Yes, I like to read in the shade.
Do you do yoga or relax?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
What is the best time for a picnic?
Morning or afternoon.
Do you go on picnics in winter?
Yes, when it's sunny.
Do you like picnics in summer?
Yes, but we find shade.
What if it rains?
We cancel or go another day.
Do you check the weather before going?
Always.
Do you like cloudy days for picnics?
Yes, they are cool and nice.
Have you ever had a picnic at night?
No, not yet.
What do you wear to a picnic?
Comfortable clothes and shoes.
Do you bring an umbrella or hat?
Yes, for shade.
How long do you stay at the picnic?
About 4 or 5 hours.
Where is your favorite picnic spot?
Near the lake.
Do you like picnics at the beach?
Yes, they are fun.
Do you go to the mountains for picnics?
Sometimes. For a change.
Do you picnic in your garden?
Yes, sometimes with family.
Is it crowded at the park?
Sometimes, especially on weekends.
Do you need permission to picnic in some places?
Yes, in some parks.
Is there a picnic area with tables?
Yes, many parks have them.
Do you sit on the grass?
Yes, we use a mat or blanket.
Do you choose a shady spot?
Yes, to stay cool.
Do you like quiet or busy places?
I like quiet places.
Do you clean up after the picnic?
Yes, always.
Do you bring a trash bag?
Yes, to collect garbage.
Do you keep food covered?
Yes, to keep it fresh.
Do you use hand sanitizer?
Yes, before eating.
Do you check for ants or bugs?
Yes, we are careful.
Do you wear sunscreen?
Yes, to protect my skin.
Do you take a first aid kit?
Yes, just in case.
Do you carry tissues or napkins?
Yes, for cleaning hands.
Do you bring mosquito spray?
Yes, if we go near water.
Do you avoid feeding animals?
Yes, it can be dangerous.
Do you plan ahead?
Yes, we plan everything.
Do you make a list?
Yes, to not forget anything.
Do you pack extra clothes?
Sometimes, for kids.
Do you carry mats or rugs?
Yes, to sit on.
Do you bring a camera?
Yes, to take pictures.
Do you carry a cooler?
Yes, to keep drinks cold.
Do you bring napkins and plates?
Yes, disposable ones.
Do you double check everything before leaving?
Yes, it was fun.
Do you miss picnics during busy days?
Yes, we do.
Are picnics relaxing for you?
Yes, they are peaceful.
Do you feel tired after a picnic?
Sometimes, but happy.
Do you want to go on a picnic every week?
Yes, if possible.
Do you enjoy solo picnics?
Sometimes, for peace.
Have you ever had a surprise picnic?
Yes, it was amazing.
Do you carry your own chair?
No, we sit on a mat.
Do you take board games?
Yes, like Ludo and Uno.
What makes a picnic special?
Good company and good food.